Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to block someone on LinkedIn. So for this you have to go first on your LinkedIn account, and if you wanna block someone from your connection, then go for my network and select your connection. Because I don't have any connections yet, so I'll choose okay, I'll choose randomly any one. Okay, if I choose this one, okay, wait for a second, then you can see a more option here, so you have to click on it, and after that you can see report or block option here, so you have to click on it and go for blocks this person and go to block, and it's refreshing of my account is refreshing, and it's done. So guys, this is how you can block someone on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.